In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a Pagefly product page to all product pages on Shopify in just 5 minutes. This process allows you to create a consistent look across all your product pages with ease. So, let's jump straight in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Ensure that your login details are at hand, making it a quick process. Next, navigate to the Pagefly dashboard. If you haven't installed Pagefly yet, you can find it in the Shopify App Store. The dashboard is your hub for creating and managing your custom pages. Here, you're going to create a new product page. This is where you can exercise your creativity. You have the option to design your page from scratch or choose a template from Pagefly's library. If you're pressed for time or looking for some inspiration, using a template can be a great way to kickstart the process. Once you're in the Pagefly editor working on your new product page, look for the Page Settings icons. This section is crucial because it allows you to make extensive customizations to your page. Click on the tag icon, which will open the Page Assignment section. Within the Page Assignment settings, you want to select the All Products option. This step is essential, as it ensures the design you're working on will be applied universally to all the product pages on your store. It automates the process of applying these changes individually to each product, thus saving you a significant amount of time. While you're in the editor, find the Shopify Elements tab and add a Product Details element. This element is critical for showing relevant product information on each loaded product page. Now, within the Elements settings, set the product source to Auto. This is particularly important because it makes sure that the page dynamically uses the products that shoppers view. Instead of manually selecting a product for each page, the Auto setting leverages the product assignment feature for seamless functionality. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the Pagefly editor. Once everything is looking the way you want it, hit Publish to make your new design live. By publishing, all your product pages will now reflect the new design, providing a unified visual experience for your customers. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully assigned a Pagefly product page design to all of your product pages. This technique not only enhances the appearance of your site, but also improves the shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.